Idol, ano ang pinakamahalagang supplement kung magbibigay ka ng advice? Pinakamahalaga, consistency, sipag at tiyaga. Discipline to wake up and always work out. Kung hindi man lift with weights, konting cardio tayo, walking or running or yung sport nyo. And then yung tamang kain, yung tamang nutrition na kailangan ng katawan nyo. Kunwari, athlete kayo, kailangan nyo more carbs, quality carbs with fiber para slow release, para may energy kayo throughout your sports activity. Kung nagpapaganda naman kayo ng katawan, syempre, more protein, 50% protein. Yun yung mga macros, 50% protein pag nagbibuild ng muscle, 50% carbs pag athlete kailangan ng energy. Ngayon, pagpalitin nyo lang yun, tas 30%, kunwari, bodybuilding, 50% protein, 30% ang carbs. Pag athlete, 50% carbs, 30% protein. Tapos yung 20% healthy fats, essential fats. Kailangan ng katawan natin. So tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys.